Volume 2 of Dan Blessinger's DBMix expansion pack for Roland V drums. Only one kit for this volume. It's a DW Collector Series maple set with 9x10 and 10x12 rack toms, 12x14 and 14x16 floor toms, 5 samples from an 18x22 inch kick drum, and both a 6.5x14 DW concrete snare and a Ludwig Black Beauty 6.5x14 brass snare. We're going to listen to a sample of each drum loaded into a default kit with the tuning set to 0 and no EQ or compression, just like always. Then we'll listen to the kick, snare, and toms via a short MIDI fill sample I recorded. I played it back and sent it to the V71 so you could have a direct comparison of each kit. There are no cymbals played in the demo. As each kit is played, you'll see an image with a table showing you the layers, tuning, muffling, and shell size for each drum. If there are extra drums layered into the sound, you'll see additional drums on the floor representing those. Let's give it a listen.